We got over here, heard a helicopter, chased us all the way over here, found cherries and berries, and then found out it's a freaking parade.
It's not funny.
That's too much.
Oh. And it was the cherries and berries leading it.
I was looking over here thinking there might have been an accident or something. You know, people sitting on the side of the road.
It's a freaking. This is a pretty good parade, though. It's a neighborhood parade, right? And that's the end of it, I think.
That goes all the way
I've
down
never even
there.
heard of this parade before. Have you?
No.
And how do they get their lights staying on in their carts? Like, I guess
Batteries.
how do you plug it into a battery?
You get inverters. Oh my God, that's funny.
Is it not funny? There's cherries and berries.
Look at just like it does.
Look at all the cherries and berries. I mean, look at these lit up like a Christmas tree. But why is this? Okay, but where is this helicopter?
That's too funny.
It's not funny.